quite happy Thanksgiving, but I have a very happy pilgrim over here. I have another happy pilgrim here. Good morning, everyone. I'm a little late to get outside, but Morris, thankfully, is still here waiting on me. Hey, buddy. You don't have to jump down. Mama's right here. It's funny how the first reaction is jump down. All right, I'm out here in short sleeves, and it's humid and it's warm. It's a little too warm. Hey, bud. Hi, sweetheart. Yep, another beautiful day in Carolina. I am a little sorry that my tree is now dropping its leaves, but it's still pretty today. It is. I got a couple more days of pretty. Beautiful, warm, almost too warm for the week before Thanksgiving, and we're well past peak on our leaves now. Still have a few trees making it beautiful, but also lots of trees that are done or nearly done. I'm sure by Thanksgiving, when we're supposed to cool down a little bit, I'll be complaining that it's too cold. For Don on his day off, and I actually don't even need to bribe him to do a whole lot today. I have one small glue project, which might cause him to cuss, but not anything huge.
What am I getting? Look at that baby. Whoa.
Chocolate, coffee, and a little chocolate.
Wow. Thank you, sweetheart.
Well, we weren't exactly expecting this rain, but we've been hanging out because I needed to sign for a package from the post office. Darn seller put signature required. I am not happy with them. And it was, nothing worth anything to be having a signature. I get for computers and Apple equipment and stuff, but not for this. And then Don was doing some 3D print present gluing assistance in the garage. He loves me, and he loves those that are receiving these items.
That's right. But for any other reason than love, you couldn't pay me to do it. I swear if you tried to pay
But see, this way you honestly get credit for assisting with the Christmas gifts. Right? You do. You've earned it. Earned it. Yes.
Probably put more work in than she has. And she sits at the computer, typey.
Yeah.
Go out there, you need to change, clear the plate. Go change my color.
But you love me, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I love my girl.
The antennas we're going to walk. This should clear up pretty quick. We're going to go drive the route and just hang out in the car for a minute, sit down and enjoy it's hot here today, though. It's sticky. Yeah.
Sticky. The temperature's not too bad, but it's really sticky.
Right. We looked at the radar. We'll be surprised if this lasts more than another 10 minutes, but we'll see. Yep. We'll see.
Wouldn't be the first time I'd be wrong.
Your weather girl's not wrong, though.
That's right. My weather girl is not wrong.
You can pull up over here so I can see my Ryusin again. How pretty those red leaves are. How great it looks over there. It really does look good.
That's very good.
Yeah.
This one has dropped all its leaves in
one day. Yeah.
I came out this morning and it had.
And you were like, "Oh, that's sad."
And then it's like, boom.
That's the blood good. Yep. Well, it wasn't stopping raining, so we made the decision to go inside and do the treadmill and the exercise bike, or the elliptical and the exercise bike. We won't probably lift weights today, but then, of course, by the time we played pogo, parked the car, and got out, it did stop raining. So now we're walking and it's dry, but our sneakers would get wet, and trash is really yucky to pick up when it's just rained. That's kind of yuck, and so anyway.
We're gonna go do indoor activity.
Yeah, we're gonna make use of the. Yeah. Well, it is definitely. Whoops, that was my phone. Stopped raining. And we've got some moisture coming off the field.
Way cool.
Yeah, it's pretty, for sure. Well, there are two largest sets I'm going to be putting together for Christmas, and one of them is the Art of Chocolate, which is a Bricklink designer program set. It's a chocolate shop, just like it sounds like, 2,615 pieces, but it's a winterized chocolate shop. So everybody bought this for, let's put it in my village, and it folds. So if we look at the back side here, you can see where it folds out left and right, so you can see all the details of the chocolate making. But when you don't want to see the details, you close it up and it looks like a really nice building. So I'm looking fun to putting it together, and nighttime is looking fun to helping. Forward to helping? She's looking forward to helping. Thank you for waiting for me to finish.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
Somebody's coughing.
Goodness. Looks like there are 31 bag numbers. I thought I'd do bags 1 and 2 tonight, maybe 3. 31's a lot. The Brick Lake Designer Program sets, you notice the box is a little different with the white. And they don't publish paper instructions. You got to use your phone or you got to use a browser, one of the two. Well, this is the first 3 bags. Really neat how this is built upright and then pressed on its side to make the foundation here. The hinges are back here, 1 on each side. Obviously a lot more detail to come with that, but it's there for the start. I'm stopping for tonight. 3 bags is good. And we're eating picanha roast. It's coming out in a bit. Today was kind of a, I don't know, slow day considering how much we've been going lately. But it was a good day.